Welcome to Bruno Learn English.
Let's learn!
Welcome, children! Today we learn English with fun.
Yay! I love learning words.
This is red. Say red.
Red!
This is blue. Say blue.
Blue!
This is yellow. Say yellow.
Yellow!
Sky, sun.
Blue sky, sun.
Dog, bird, cat.
Dog is Bruno!
Bruno is big and brave.
Big dog!
Yes, and he's very brave.
Brave Bruno!
Big and brave!
1, 2, 3. 3 balls. Circle and square.
This is a circle.
Say hello.
Hello, teacher.
Great, now wave and say it again.
Hello, teacher.
Perfect, you're doing great.
Hello.
I am happy. And this one is sad.
Sad.
It's good to share our feelings.
Yeah.
Jump! Run, Bruno, run! This is a book, and this is a ball.
This is a ball. A ball. A ball.
Very good, Liora. Let's practice some short sentences.
I like dogs.
Very good, Avelyn.
I like Bruno.
Excellent, Tarin. Sing with me.
La la English song. La la English song. La la English song.
What is this?
Red dog.
Excellent. And this one?
3 balls.
Wonderful. You both did great. Goodbye, my students.
See you, teacher.
I promise more English adventures tomorrow.